Hey guys, check here. Hey, today I'm gonna end this video, or my Mekong River ride to Mukdahan video today. So what day, huh? Hello. And we are, yeah. I'm trying to think of. I feel like a broken record with these Isaan videos. You know, I'm ready to move on. So I want to. I haven't took you guys to the river in a while. My shoes are squeaking. That's the way you know I'm walking, right? And I haven't taken you guys down to the river in a while, so yeah. สวัสดีครับร้อนวันนี้ร้อนไปดูแม่น้ำคลองครับ I am yeah, I'm trying to thank you guys for the suggestions on the videos while we are stuck here in lockdown mode. But not really locked down, but I think here in the next couple weeks we'll be able to do something. Squeak, squeak, squeak. The river's actually up here on the Mekong River, and it's still very hot. But I don't know what he's doing to this building right here. He's who knows? You never really know what's going on in Thailand. But the river's up a little bit. Laos. That's Laos over there. They're not allowed over here. But anyway, guys, thank you so very much for enjoying my little Mukdahan series video. It was a fun trip. Guys, don't forget to check out part 1 and part 2 of this series of videos. If you're watching today's video and you didn't watch the first part or the second part, it might be confusing. So yeah, watch those. Sometimes it's difficult to video while you're bike riding, you know, and the little clicking noise is irritating when I'm trying to edit the video, but it's hard to think of all these little technical things while you're pedaling, right? But we'll do something here fun as usual. Thank you guys for being patient with us, and he's got a lot of bikes. And I hope you enjoy the video today. There is a lot of really good restaurants up here on the river. There are quite a few Falang that live in Mukdahan. Quite a few. I have several subscribers that live here. You know, mostly their wives live on farmland, right? This is also where Nit from Eyes of a Thai lives. I've met her several times up here. You guys can check out her channel.
Okay, please guys, if you want to know about Thailand or Thai rural more, please check out my channel.
Yeah.
Okay? Right now, goodbye.
Bye, Rose.
Bye, Rose.
Bye.
Thank you so much for you watching my video. If you like, please give me a thumbs up.
I got a Falang here that says if he sees me, he's gonna whoop my ass. So, well, why wait? My address is in the description box. Drive your ass 55 kilometers up and tell me how you feel about it. I don't know what his problem is. He probably can't even wipe his own ass. Up to him. Hell, I even got a Google map link. Just click on that. Another beautiful little park here. Big house here on the right. There's another church up here. It's usually locked for whatever reason. But this is a little tiny back street. Motorcycle shops and hair salons. That's where the money's at in Thailand. Okay, we are at 49 kilometers and we just hit Mukdahan, the town of Mukdahan. There's a lot of good food here, very busy place, a lot of very good Vietnamese food. This restaurant right here on my left is Vietnamese, very good. Chinese temple. There is a hotel on the river in the market, and it looked really cool. So let's go see about staying there tonight, someplace different. This town is really busy usually, but it's also dependent on tourism, mostly from Laos. But they had locked Mukdahan down for almost a month after, really kind of after those restrictions were lifted by the government. They decided to stay closed. So I guess it didn't work out for them. But this is a market. Well, it looks like half the stuff is closed. Normally there's people everywhere here all the time. A lot of kids come here for field trips. People coming to the temple. There's a beautiful temple up on the hill up here. I took you guys, well actually that video I just shared has a nice clip of the Buddha. We went in the Buddha up on the mountain. Looks like it's here. Looks like quite a few people. Let's see if we can get a room here. I don't know if they're, well, I don't know if they're open. I'm going to turn my camera off. Well, they are closed down. So I wanted to stay here. Let's go. Let's go on an adventure. I'm hot. Need a shower. ปิดมันเลย
ครับ
ไม่มีโรงแรม
ครับ
อ๋อ
มาจากไหนครับ
มาจากท่าพนมครับ
เอาถาดขนม
ใช่อยากมาเที่ยว
ปิดหมดเลยครับ
ปิดมาเลย
ครับ
กี่วันครับ
ปิดเดือนกว่าแล้วนะ
เดือนกว่าเดือนหน้าเปิด
ประมาณเดือนหน้า
เดือนหน้าโอเคนะครับ
ครับ
ขอบคุณนะครับโชคดีครับชอบมอเตอร์ไซค์ Is that your
ครับ
ของคุณไหม
ครับ
อ๋อ very good
ขอบคุณครับ
ขอบคุณนะครับ well that's very awesome right now what I don't know but I seriously doubt everybody's closed I'm gonna call bullshit on that but what do I know right we may be going home tonight which is fine. Just take a break. A friend of mine who lives here told me that the Mukdahan Hotel is open, and that's the hotel that I always stay at when I come. And when I drove by here the other day, I saw a couple cars out front, and the doors open, but I don't know 100% if they're open or not. And I don't think he knows either. They really shut this place down, huh? Man, I don't know if it's open, dude. There's a little resort in the back. Maybe they're open. Wow. Well, we don't have to go home. This is where I normally stay at 600 baht. Comes with breakfast. They also have a little like resort back here in the back. These are actually better because they're quiet, but it's going to be quiet today. But the beds are super hard there. But I think it's 400 baht with a 100 baht key deposit for that, and 600 for this, but it comes with breakfast. So, but you can also pay and have breakfast here too. So let's go up to the room and bring our stuff up there and leave my bike here. We're only on the second floor, but let's take the elevator anyway. My legs are a little sore right now from the wind is like climbing a mountain the whole way. Well, these are very comfortable rooms. This bed is soft, I know. And we have the beautiful view of, I don't know why they locked these. Is Spider-Man gonna come up here? The tower is beautiful at night. I've taken you guys up there before. Okay, let me charge my batteries. It has a decent bathroom. And then we'll go get some food. Something easy. This is goikiao. I don't want that. Traffic in Mukdahan. It's not the safest place to ride a bicycle, I'll tell you that. Inside the town. I didn't expect there to be so many cars right now. This is a big town, but it's too dangerous right now to run around on the main road. I was trying to go to this restaurant, but I'm not 100% sure it's open. So let's go back down to the river and we'll eat at this place where I usually go. I'm pretty sunburned right now. I was going back and forth with a couple of people about wearing long sleeve shirts and a face shield or cover or whatever. They said I was going to have a heat stroke, but I've been on the bike I think a couple of hours, and I think half of that we had a little bit of an overcast. But I forgot to wear my gloves. I actually ordered a new pair, but they haven't come in yet. And but my hands are burnt. Okay, let's go to the restaurant. Okay, we are here. One of my favorite restaurants here in Mukdahan. Taking you guys here a few times, a couple times with the mafias. Let's go sit down. Well, look at that. I didn't wear my gloves because I forgot them. And that's about maybe an hour and a half in the Thai sun. So I have given you guys warnings before about walking around with tank tops in the sun. Only Farangs do that. You won't see Thai people doing that. But the sun's dangerous, so you need to cover up. And shirts like these, they're not very good, like just being in the sun. But if you're working and sweating or exercising, these are really good. You guys know that. The short sleeve shirts in the sun is not good, but this is the extra one that I brought. So I have a long sleeve to ride back home. I have to leave early in the morning though, or buy a pair of gloves. I don't know if this is copyright music or not, but that's Chow Manao. That's a lemon tea I was telling you about. It's really good. Chow Manao. Okay. ปีกไก่ทอด อร่อยชื่ออะไรครับ ดาว star ดาวทำนานนี้นานเท่าไหร่ 3 ปีค่ะ 3 ปี she's camera shy. I got a new subscriber. She said she asked me how much did I pay for the camera and why was that video, and I said, well, I'm for YouTube videos. She's shy. Anyway, I got I don't know why, I just felt like fried chicken. I didn't want to eat anything really spicy, but I have mu tod katiem coming. Yeah, I asked her how long she had worked here, 3 years. Her name is Dao, which means star, Dao. Nong khap. ยักษ์เรียนอาหารโตสามคนนะคะเดี๋ยวบินตามลงไปอยากเรียนอาหารตัวนี้อยากเลี้ยงอาหารbut ไม่พูดครับไม่พูดคุณจะเลี้ยงโต๊ะข้างหลังใช่อยากเรียนอาหารเช็คเป็นไม่พูดไปก่อนพูดได้แต่ว่าหนูจะเอาบินมาให้ก่อนใช่โอเคยังไงนะครับผม Okay, I gave money to buy dinner for me and Paige, but she's not here. So the opportunity arose, and I'm going to pay for my dinner. And there's a table over there with 3 people that look like they've been sitting here all day. So I'm going to pay for their meal, and then I'm going to go. So I challenge you guys today or tomorrow or sometime in the near future to do this, to do something good for somebody that you don't know, okay? I challenge you, and then leave a comment in the comment section of a video and tell us what you did. Well, Gary gave me $50 in PayPal, and that David, the guy's name is David. I didn't know. I'm pretty sure you told me his name was Gary. No, you just weren't paying attention as usual. Well, okay, sorry, David. I can't remember everything. Almost covered it, so it was very perfect. Thank you for that, Gary. You're awesome. David, okay, let's David go. Glass. I need to go back to the hotel and maybe relax. Maybe we'll do a nighttime ride around the town, but it's too dark to video. But I can't. I'd like to drink a beer right now. A beer. I can do that in the hotel. Good morning. Just came back to the hotel, had a couple of beers, played on my cell phone for about an hour, and slept for like 10 hours. It's 7 in the morning right now. They're not serving breakfast. I don't even know why this hotel's open. I found out that there is an ordinance in the town for the hotels to stay closed in Mukdahan. So every province, they can set up their own they can adjust the rules accordingly to their province. I think just like anywhere else in the States, you know, but they have jolt in a cup, which is always you can get a cup of noodles. In the morning time, I like the spicy noodles, but not before the long bike ride. And got a couple cups of coffee. I'm gonna end this video at home. We'll say good morning to Paige when we get there. It's maybe a couple hour bike ride. Hopefully the wind's at my back. I don't know, somehow I doubt it. Anyway, if I see something on the way entertaining, yeah, I'll try to still keep you entertained in this long video. Okay, let's go. Mia Noi. Check out, cop. Check out. Come home. Okay, beautiful day. We're out of here. Well, getting out of the little town is a little hectic with the traffic this morning, but nothing here. Didn't want to freak you guys out with all the cars. But it's kind of like Antalay. We're almost out. You guys see those flags right there? The wind's actually blowing in my face. Yesterday was a pretty strong wind in my face too. But you know, in the military they say, if it's not raining, it's not training. So same goes with the bicycle, I guess. If the wind's not blowing in your face, you're not doing any good. So no help from Mother Nature. High sun, no clouds, hot and wind. Great day to be alive. Well, I'm gonna I gotta learn to make myself stop and take a break. Usually I just push straight through, but when it's hot like this, I regret it when I get home. So I'm halfway, a little under halfway. I'm gonna stop and eat some corn nuts that somebody sent me, very awesome, and drink some Gatorade. It's a beautiful day. Sawasdee krab. ชามะนาวครับ
ชามะนาวหน่อยครับชามะนาวเนี่ยชามะนาวชามะนาว
โอเคครับผม Gotta refill myคอไส้หนีครับ
ชามะนาว
ชามะนาวครับ วันนี้ร้อนมาก ขอน้ำแข็งนิดเดียวครับ เท่าไหร่นะครับ กี่บาทครับ20
แล้วมันเปิดดีมาเตะหน่อใหม่แล้ว
ครับโอเค
เค็ม
Anyway, guys, thank you. I'm going to end the video now. Tired. I need to hydrate. If you like today's video, sweaty, please click the like button. Please subscribe to the channel. Just click the button right down there on the bottom. It's really effortless. If you enjoyed, well, thank you very much for coming with me today. I appreciate that. And we'll see you guys on the next video. It's hot. Bye. My face is red.